So I have these pair of Keen shoes, which I love, and Keen really should last a while. So I'm kind of surprised by this, but you'll see that on this sole. It's coming apart all the way through. This one's completely fine, no problems at all. So I bought some strong shoe glue. I'll put the link to this down in the description, and I'll give you a review on how well it works after I apply it. And I'm also going to show you how to do that as well. So I tried to record this video for you yesterday, however, realized I needed a hairdryer. So now I borrowed a hairdryer from my mother-in-law and I'm all set to go. So in this box, you get 2 different shoe glue, you get a spreader, you get a couple of elastics, and you get a sander, along with a manual. So the first thing that it tells us to do is clean both sides of the opening lightly and sand the adhesive. So if there's any adhesive there. So I already cleaned it, and now I'm gonna do a little sanding. There's a lot of space in here. I don't feel like it has to be perfect. And hopefully it grabs most of the space. So this is a big area compared to if you're just mending the side of a shoe. Some people, you know how it just comes apart at the sides. This one is all the way through. I'm gonna clean it up a little more. Just get rid of what I had sanded out of there. And then step 2 says apply the glue evenly to both sides of the opening and then let it dry 5 to 8 minutes. So, apply it. This is where I'm not sure because it's such a big space how well this is all gonna work. I almost feel like I'm gonna need like a whole tube in this one. Comes out pretty slow, so it's taking some time here. Now it says to hair dry it for 20 seconds to activate the glue. So we're going to activate the glue. We press down, adhesive the surface for at least 20 seconds. And then we're supposed to, it says if you're doing a regular shoe, you're supposed to put newspaper inside your shoe, but I don't have newspaper, so, and I don't think the sandal really calls for that, but we do have these nice elastics, so I'm going to put the elastics on it to kind of help hold it together. All right, and then I will get back to you next time with, I'll get back to you tomorrow when I take this off and see how well it did. So, the reveal. These shoes traveled all the way back from Florida to Maine. So it was longer than the 24-hour period that they recommend to let it dry. So hopefully maybe that made it even better. Or maybe it didn't make a difference. But this is the time I have to do the reveal. So you guys ready? Let's see. Is it going to be held together? So remember how I could pull that all apart in there. It is not budging. Wow, it seems very solid. Let's see, check the other side. I cannot budge that either. All right, next step is to try walking in them and see how that works. Show you that, and then I'll let you know how I feel about shoe glue. Well, I have to say it worked well in my situation. May not be the same for you, but I would give it a try. It wasn't very expensive. I'll put the link down in the description, and it's worth giving it a try. If you don't want to lose a pair of old shoes that you love, no longer under warranty or whatever. It's been a while, even though I didn't wear them a lot, but this was a great solution. If you find my videos useful or entertaining, please click like and subscribe. Thank you.